Hello, and welcome to the tutorial. I will be showing you how to make your own custom skins in a few quick matches. As you can see here, this is the game we're going to be kind of modding in a sense. So let's get to it. So first things first, you're going to need an app or application called Undertale Mod Tool, which you can get on this GitHub page. Just pick the one, I believe it's this one right here. So you just download this file. And once you do that, you can go ahead and open it. It'll bring you to this page right here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on File, Open, direct yourself to the A Few Quick Matches file, and open up data.win. And once you do that, you're going to go to Embedded Textures. And then here is all the textures, pretty much just for all the characters and stuff. So really the ones that matter actually will be like texture 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all just gonna be like the character textures here. But the important ones here go from 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 7, this right here is the sprite for, or well, the textures and other alternate skins for Eureka. This one, I believe, is for, Noct. Texture 9 is for Ninja, I believe. Yep. And then texture 10 is for Rend. So let's export this. Let's put this, download that. Let's call it Rend texture. There's a website you can use. I like to use Piskel. Can import the texture in here. Make sure to click this so that way it doesn't make it look all weird and wacky and whatnot. So here we have the textures. This is just a custom one I made here. I don't know why that showed up and not the other one. I think I just saved it to the wrong area, but it's whatever. So how this works is basically in these rows here, this is the character's skin, or just like this, each skin for the character. So down here in these 3 rows are the sword textures, and then up here is the color of the actual like character. So, if you're gonna want to retexture each character, it's gonna be, if it's the same solid color in this row, then it's also gonna match, the rest of these rows here. And as you can see, there's also rows where they're different colors, so these are like the different individual like sprites or colorways. And so basically what you would do is you would just recolor, like say if I want to do, let's go with like a yellow. Let's go for like a blue sword. So when you're done, you're going to export, make sure this is scaled down to 0.1 or 1.0. And then save single frame as PLG file. Then you'll save it there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open this back up. You're going to import. And then you're going to import the file that you just got into there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click save. And then you're going to want to save this directly in this file again. So it replaces the old data.win. And it's going to ask you if you want to replace it. Press yes. And now what's left to do is just open up the game. So now, when you play, hold on. So now when you play, you check out your skins. Boom. Should be a different color. And of course you can do it for the rest of them. It also works, but I don't know if the main one would work. But once you're done with that, then there you go. There's your colors. And yes, they do change each of the other colors for the other sprites and whatnot. So, if you do want your own color scheme, that's how you do it.